There is a ghost haunting the Bitcoin network, a faceless entity sitting on the largest treasure in human history. Over 1 million Bitcoin, more than $70 billion, untouched, silent, for more than 15 years. Wall Street prays that this ghost never wakes up. But what if he does? Mainstream media and central bankers love to whisper this myth to scare you. They call it the Satoshi dump. They tell you, what if the creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, wakes up tomorrow? What if he dumps his 1 million Bitcoin on the open market? The price will crash to zero, the bubble will burst, and you will lose everything. It is the perfect horror story to keep you away from true financial freedom. But let's look at the dark blueprint. Let's look at the truth. Satoshi Nakamoto understood that for Bitcoin to be truly decentralized, it couldn't have a king. He sacrificed his own wealth so the network could live without a ruler. First of all, those wallets haven't moved a single Satoshi since 2009. Why? Because the creator likely destroyed the keys on purpose. Or even darker, the creator is no longer with us. But let's play the devil's advocate. What if the ghost did wake up? What if he pressed sell on all 1 million coins? 10 years ago, it would have destroyed the market. Today, it's a completely different game. Wall Street mega institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and entire nation-states trade billions of dollars in Bitcoin every single day. The liquidity is massive. A 1 million Bitcoin sell-off would cause a terrifying flash crash, yes, but it wouldn't kill Bitcoin. The global market, the institutional whales, and the ETFs would aggressively swallow up that massive discount in a matter of weeks. The network would survive. The block would keep ticking. The real threat isn't a ghost selling his coins. The real threat is the mainstream media using fear to make you sell your Bitcoin to the bankers. Don't let the ghost scare you. Stack your stats, hold your keys, and subscribe to Beyond Crypto. Let's uncover the truth together in a sleeping world.